लास्ट टाइम आम्ही हांगा इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयिल्ली रेस्टॉरंट खूब घाण दिसलेलें तेन्ना आमी ताका 20,000 रुपया फायन मारली. So he has not paid that amount and he has not rectified it. Today again we have come to see it. It is in the very bad state. उदक सुद्धा बायचें आसा पळय तें सारकें गट्टी उदक आसा. What is using tap water. Tap water जाल्यार टॅप पुसून पायप घेवन येता तो मिटर आनी ते पायपान यूज करता. If you look at the conditions of the premises, it is very unhygienic. It is not, you cannot allow him to cook and serve people unless and until he rectifies it. So आमी ताका 5 days दिले, but he's asking for 15 days. But he cannot start the restaurant till he rectified because it is really in a very pathetic condition. इतले घाण आसा की it is very bad. दार सुद्धा ना फाटले मोडके दार आसा ताका आउट बॅक डोर तेचे. लास्ट टाइम सगळे वायलेशन्स केल्ले तेणी एक सुद्धा रेक्टिफाय करूं ना. And he was fined ₹20,000 which he has not paid also till date. So
now what you are going to do?
Now we are asking him to close down. He has to close down till he rectifies all the deficiencies and get it